All right, it is Monday, April 18th, 2022, and it's time for another chart study. So, like usual, let's start looking at the daily to kind of get a bias. And today was tough to generate a daily bias because price traded below all these lows in Asian session. So, daily sell side, in my opinion, had been taken out. There was some relative equal highs that corresponded with this daily high on the lower time frames. That set up a good buy side liquidity, but price was pretty far away from that. So I felt like some other things had to set up before price would trade up into this. So today I didn't have a super strong daily bias one way or the other. I felt like if price traded up here, it wouldn't have done it in this trading day, and it didn't. So over here, I have the 15-minute time frame, and this is the S&P, by the way. I have the 15-minute time frame, and I will pull up the annotations. So the first thing you'll notice is these two zones. This top zone represents a premium prices, and this lower zone represents a discount. So what the market does is trade hunt liquidity, relative equal highs, relative equal lows, swing highs, swing lows, and rebalance imbalances essentially, as well as trade from discounts to premiums, premiums to discounts. So if you look at this swing from this point to this point, it creates premium prices up here and discounts down here. So I was expecting, well, I'll start with this. This was the midnight open candle. I arrived at the charts at this 8:30 candle here. So immediately what I saw was these relative equal lows here as a potential for price to trade into. But I also recognized that price was likely to trade into a premium prices. So I was kind of conflicted there. So after 8:30, you can see that price traded up. Here's 9:30, the actual opening. Traded down a little bit, traded up, creating kind of relative equal highs here. Then traded down aggressively, breaking structure to the downside. And this was starting to look like a potential setup to target these relative equal lows. But this gray zone represents lunchtime, and the potential setup occurred during lunchtime, so it would have never happened, and it would have saved a theoretical loss if a trade had been taken because price after lunchtime just reversed and then it started ranging. So overall, today wasn't the best as far as price action goes, but good lesson on how the market's not always presenting the best opportunities to take trades, and just kind of teaches teaches patience. You got to be patient, and kind of just hunt your setups. And if you can't come up with a bias one way or the other, just stay out until everything lines up one way or the other. Those relative equal highs that I was talking about are right here. They line up with that daily swing high. I think if price trades up, decides to start trading higher, I think this will be a good target for a potential trade if it indeed goes higher. like I said, I mean, it just traded to that 50 level, tapped into premium prices, so could sell off. It could move up. I don't know. So I just gotta wait and let the market tell me where it's gonna go. But that is all I got for this one. Choppy day is what it is. Wait it out and let the market tell you where it's gonna go.